In previous editions of Traffic Points, you have heard how following other vehicles too closely can easily result in a rear-end collision. We've also demonstrated how to establish a safe following distance. We would like to share some additional tips to avoid rear-end collisions, the most common type of car accident we see here in Edmond.
When we respond to a rear-end collision, we oftentimes discover that drivers are disobeying several city ordinances. For example, City Ordinance 10.28.043 instructs drivers to give their full time and attention while driving. City Ordinance 10.28.041 focuses on careless driving, another contributor to rear-end collisions.
Paying attention to your surroundings and the cars in front of you at all times is absolutely vital. Believe it or not, many rear-end collisions that we respond to happen at intersections just as a traffic light turns green. Let's demonstrate how this happens. We have car A and car B waiting at an intersection. When the lights turn green, the driver of car B sees the green light and immediately accelerates while car A hasn't yet moved. Another way this happens is the driver of car B is distracted, then notices in their peripheral vision that traffic in adjacent lanes is moving, so they accelerate without checking first if the car in front has moved. One of the reasons that car A hasn't moved is because the driver is also distracted and not paying attention to the traffic signals.
Distracted driving is a big deal. At crash sites where the driver is not injured, we oftentimes hear drivers explain that they became distracted while adjusting their radio, their air conditioner, or very likely their cell phones. Distractions like cell phones make driving extremely dangerous for everyone on the road. The average time a driver's eyes are off of the road while texting is 4.6 seconds.
At 45 miles per hour, a car can travel the length of a football field in just 4.6 seconds. That's a long distance to not be looking at the road while operating a 4,000-pound machine. In fact, drivers that are distracted with cell phones are 23 times more likely to have a crash than a non-distracted driver. So put the cell phones down while driving. If you have to use your cell, safely pull over in a location off the roadway.
Devote your full time and attention to the traffic around you, and always be prepared to safely come to a stop if needed. Using cell phones greatly hinders the response time it takes to recognize and avoid any hazards. A phone call or text message while driving is not worth somebody's life. So put the phone away before getting behind the wheel.
If you have a question about a traffic law or a traffic situation in our city, please email your questions to trafficpoints@edmondok.com. And as always, drive alert,
Drive safe,
and we'll see you next time.